Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this very beautiful mix and match animal print nail art. I really liked the way this design has turned out, especially the color combination that have been used, but you can use any colors of your choice. This design is super easy to make. As you can see, I have drawn it on my right hand with my non-dominant hand. So watch the video till the end to see how this was achieved. And that's how this design was created. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. If you did, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you happen to recreate my designs, then don't forget to share the same with me on my Instagram. The details will be provided in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching the video. Bye bye.